Building construction can be a costly undertaking, therefore, you would need to know the costs involved in this endeavor. We will show you how to check scrutiny tariffs, and how to apply it to your plan. Let's begin. First, we will need to download the latest tariffs and administration fee PDF. Go to www.capetown.gov.za, go to Work and Business. Click on Planning Portal. Click on Tariffs and Charges. Then click on Building Planning Development Charges. On this page, scroll down, then click and download the PDF Building Department Tariffs. On here we can see the tariffs breakdown. We can see the first column shows minor work. A minor work is a building structure of a minor nature such as carports, pools, walls, and verandas. Each one of the minor work items will be charged with this fee. When we scroll down, we can see the fees for the building additions. In this case, it shows the fees for single residential zoning. Let's see the example. On this plan we have a wall. This will be one minor work fee. We also have an addition of 48 square meter. We use the table to determine the fee. Because 48 falls within this bracket here, this will be the fee. Always use the column with the current year. So, this will be one minor work fee of 610 Rand, and a residential fee addition of 1,430 Rand. Pro tip: if you use an architect to submit your plans, always make sure to ask for the scrutiny invoice from your architect. Do not pay him the scrutiny fee if he hasn't provided you with an invoice. You now can work out what your scrutiny fee will be, based on this table. Please note, this does not include the architect's fee, as everyone's fee may differ. Always get a quote before proceeding. If you made it this far in the video, I humbly ask you to please subscribe, like and share, if you found this information useful.